Hey there, is your Kindle Fire feeling a little under the weather? Perhaps it's not working as it used to. Well, in this guide, we're going to explore how to fix an old Kindle Fire and bring it back to life without breaking a sweat. Whether it's slow performance, battery issues, or connectivity problems, we've got you covered. Let's delve into some straightforward solutions to common problems and give your Kindle Fire the second wind it deserves. Step 1. Restore the device to factory settings. If your Kindle Fire has slowed down considerably or is experiencing unresponsive behavior, restoring it to factory settings might do the trick. First, make sure all your important data is backed up, as this process will erase everything on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu from your home screen. Tap on Device Options. Select Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm your choice and allow the Kindle Fire to reset. Once restarted, the device should reset to its original state. This method is highly effective against various software-related issues. Step 2. Replace a degraded battery. Older Kindle Fires may suffer from reduced battery life due to wear and tear. If your device no longer holds a charge effectively, consider replacing the battery. Purchase a compatible battery replacement kit for your specific Kindle Fire model online or from a tech store. Carefully power off your device completely and remove the back panel using a plastic opening tool. Disconnect the old battery and replace it with the new one, following the instructions provided in your kit. Reassemble your Kindle Fire and test the new battery for improved performance. A fresh battery can greatly extend the lifespan of your device, offering many more hours of reading and browsing. Step 3. Update the device software. An outdated software version can lead to performance hiccups and security vulnerabilities. Keeping your Kindle Fire updated is key to optimal functionality. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, then tap Device Options. Select System Updates to check for available updates. If there's an update available, press Update and let the device download and install it. Updating your Kindle Fire ensures you have access to the latest features and improvements, enhancing both performance and security. Step 4. Troubleshoot connectivity issues. If your Kindle Fire is experiencing difficulty connecting to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, a simple troubleshooting routine can be undertaken. Restart your Kindle Fire and the router for Wi-Fi issues and ensure both devices are within range. Double-check the password and all relevant network details. Remove existing Bluetooth pairings and repair the device if necessary. For persistent issues, contact your internet service provider or Amazon support for further assistance. By addressing these simple connectivity checks, you can restore reliable access to internet services for your Kindle Fire. There you have it. How to fix an old Kindle Fire and breathe new life into it with just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're resetting to factory defaults, replacing an old battery, updating software, or troubleshooting connectivity issues, these methods are designed to enhance your Kindle Fire experience. With these solutions, you can ensure you make the most out of your beloved device, allowing it to serve your reading and browsing needs well into the future. Happy fixing.